The holidays are filled with opportunities to indulge in rich food and consume way more calories than needed. Do this to avoid holiday weight gain. Just because it's the holiday season doesn't mean your fitness goals don't matter. In fact, if you lose sight of your weight loss goals entirely this month, you're going to be in for a rude awakening come January 1st. I have a better idea for you. Let's keep you focused and keep your goals in sight while still allowing some room for some fun this holiday season. It's possible. All right, what we're going to do is focus on what you know. We know it's going to be distractions. We know we can have excuses. We know sometimes we're not going to feel like it. But we also know what we want to look like. You also know what you want to feel, how you want to feel, and you know what you should be eating, and you know that you need to move. So let's do the work. Let's do mind over matter. Let's focus on what we know and not how we feel. As always, please hit that like button and subscribe for more content.